Lord Ram was given weapons such as Brahmastra, Pashupatastra, Vajra, and Agneastra by Guru Vishwamitra. It is a law of nature that obstacles are a test of one's mental strength and courage. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 1, Chaupai number 4 and Doha number 2, through which we will appreciate that in order to make progress, one has to go through examinations. बदन पैठी पुनि बाहर आवा, मागा बिदाता है सिर नावा, मोहि सुरन जेहि लाग पठावा, बुद्धि बल मरम तोर मैं पावा. राम काज सब करहु, तुम बल बुद्धि निधान, आशीष देह गई सो हर्ष चले हनुमान. If we look closely, Bajrangbali was going towards Lanka to search for Mother Sita. In such a situation, by sending Sursa, the Devatas had actually created an obstacle in his path. The Devatas themselves were distressed by Ravan's atrocities. They themselves wanted freedom from Ravan's terror, and they themselves wished for Sita Ji's well-being. So why would they create obstacles in Sri Ram's mission? But it is a law of nature that obstacles are a test of one's mental strength and courage. And by passing such tests, one's self-confidence and inner strength increase. In ancient times especially, to attain powers or divine abilities, one necessarily had to pass through trials. Lord Ram was given weapons such as Brahmastra, Pashupatastra, Vajra, and Agneastra by Guru Vishwamitra, but only after he proved his valor by slaying Tadaka. Hiranyakashipu received extraordinary powers from Brahmaji, that he could not be killed by a human or an animal, neither indoors nor outdoors, neither by any weapon nor by any missile, neither during the day nor at night. But before receiving this boon, Hiranyakashipu had to undergo a severe test of penance. It is said that Brahmaji told Hiranyakashipu that he would grant the boon only if he stood on his toes, raised his hands upward in a gesture of prayer, fixed his gaze towards the sky, and performed tapasya. Hiranyakashipu performed penance in that posture for many years. Similarly, Brahmaji tested Ravana as well. To attain immortality, Ravana offered his own head as a sacrifice before Brahmaji. His head grew back again, and once more he severed it with his sword. After doing this 9 times, when Ravana attempted to do it the 10th time, Brahmaji appeared and granted him a boon that Ravana would not be killed by gods or demons, nor by snakes or ferocious wild animals. He did not include humans in the list because he believed no human could ever harm him. Thus, we see that to receive a boon, one must necessarily pass through a test, and Hanumanji too had to do this. Tulsidas ji says, Badan paiti puni bahar ava, maga bidata sir nava, mohi suran jehi lagi pathava, buddhi bal maram tor mein pava. While competing with Sursa in increasing his size, Bajrangbali suddenly made his form extremely small, entered Sursa's vast mouth, and instantly came back out. Then he bowed his head to Sursa and asked leave to depart in search of Sita ji. Seeing Bajrangbali's intelligence, Sursa was pleased and said that she had been sent by the Devatas to test him, and now she had understood the essence of his strength and wisdom. राम काज सब करहु तुम बल बुद्धि निधान, आशीष देह गई सो हर्ष चले हनुमान. You will successfully accomplish all of Sri Ramchandra ji's tasks because you are a treasure of strength and intellect. After giving this blessing, Sursa departed from there, and Hanumanji, filled with joy, continued on his way. In this context, in Valmiki Ramayana, Sarg 1, Shlok 171, Sursa says to Hanuman, Arth siddhaye hari shrestha, gacch saumya yatha sukham, samanayasva vedehim raghavena mahatmana. O best of Vanaras, go forth happily for the fulfillment of your mission. O gentle soul, may you soon reunite Vaidehi with the noble Raghav. By crossing Sursa's test, not only was Hanuman's way forward cleared, but through Sursa, he also received the blessings and powers of all the gods. So what have we learned from today's Chaupais? That whether it is blessings or power, to obtain these, one must pass through trials. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to ungrateful people. To receive grace, one must be worthy of grace. Otherwise, even grace bestowed upon someone becomes meaningless. For example, when warlike conditions arose in Iran, the government of India safely evacuated some people from the war zone and brought them back to India. But the moment they set foot in India, instead of expressing gratitude, they began to complain.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हम वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अभी इवैक्यूएट होकर लैंड किए हैं इंडिया में, दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट, दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट। बट फ्रॉम हियर वी हैव नथिंग। हमें रीएश्योर किया गया था हमें कश्मीर सेफली लैंड करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है। जो ऑफिशियल्स यहाँ आए थे वो भी यहाँ नहीं है। हमें एसआरटीसी बसेस प्रोवाइड की गई है जिनमें हमें बोल रहे हैं 20 आवर्स ट्रैवल करके आप कश्मीर जाओ। हम ऑलरेडी 4 दिन से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। हम उस सिचुएशन में नहीं है कि हम एसआरटीसी बसेस में कश्मीर जा सकें। हमें रीएश्योर किया गया था आपको सेफली पहुंचाया जाएगा आपके घरों तक, लेकिन यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी नो वन इज हियर और हमें अबेंडन किया गया है। वी हैव नो वन टू टॉक टू। एंड अभी प्राइसेस टिकट्स की भी बहुत है, अबव 20,000। सारे लोग उस चीज को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते। आई पर्सनली आई कांट अफोर्ड 20,000 टिकट राइट नाउ राइट हियर। सो प्लीज वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग। हम बहुत थैंकफुल है गवर्नमेंट के, उन्होंने हमें यहाँ तक लैंड किया, लेकिन वी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं अब अपनी गवर्नमेंट से हमारे लिए कुछ कीजिए। हम किसको यहाँ बोल रहे हैं? और इन्होंने रीअश्योर किया था, अगर इन्होंने पहले कहा होता कि नहीं हम ऑलरेडी, अगर कुछ टाइम पहले इन्होंने कहा होता तो हम कर देते। इन्होंने नहीं किया, इन्होंने रीअश्योर किया था, ट्वीट्स किए थे इन्होंने कि नहीं हम पहुँचाएंगे आपको घर, लेकिन इन्होंने नहीं किया कुछ भी हमारे। नो वन।
जीवन का निष्कर्ष है, मन में भरता हर्ष है, सबके लिए आदर्श है, नर हो या हो नारी। तो बोलो मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।